Who has the biggest balls on LinkedIn global? It's me, guilty as charged. Because do you know what I just did? I deleted my LinkedIn account with 30,000 followers. Yes, the profile where one post was worth 2,000 euros. Gone. Deleted. Just like that. And I did it on purpose. I wanna prove something. I wanna show you that I can build everything from zero. And next year, exactly on May 10th, I will have minimum 30,000 followers. And you guys will watch the entire process live. No secrets, no bullshit, because you know me well. And trust me, it will be iconic. Let's fucking crush this. Take your seats, guys. We're launching.